all. It is truly said that a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. Gratitude is the virtue of being thankful for everything you have. It is the formation of a grateful heart and a pleasing soul. Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. It changes problems to presents. In this universal pandemic, how can we not be welcoming our life saviors? Supporting them and following the rules is the best way to show our appreciation towards them. An action of gratitude pleases God's heart and makes you richer than the billionaires.
Gratitude is the feeling of being grateful or wanting to give your thanks to somebody. All of us should possess this virtue. In life, God gives everyone chances to be grateful. One should never fail to express one's gratitude both to God and man. Expressing gratitude is just a reflection of your personality. Thank you.
A pleasant morning to all of you. Virtues are qualities that support the inherent goodness that resides within each human being. And gratitude is both a social and a theological virtue. The holy books such as the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, and the Bible cite gratitude as central among all the virtues. The cultivation of gratitude develops character, the embodiment of desired virtues. The art of maintaining a grateful disposition creates other virtues such as generosity, humility, compassion, wisdom, joy, integrity, and trust. This disposition of being thankful for our blessings can eradicate all sorts of obstacles or problems in our day-to-day lives. Wish you all a good day.